In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI as a translator to all language for free. By the end, you'll know how to access Meta AI, upload content, and get clear translations without paying a cent. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Meta AI. You'll see results related to Meta's AI assistant. Click the official Meta AI result to open the page that connects you to the assistant inside Messenger. This page brings you into a chat where you can interact with Meta AI just like you would with a friend. Once you're in the chat interface, look for the plus icon near the message box. Click that to reveal more options. This is where you can attach content you want translated. From the menu that opens, choose Add Media. This tells Meta AI you're going to share a file for it to read and translate. Next, select the file you want to use. Pick the document that contains the text you need translated and confirm your choice. Give it a moment to upload completely. Larger files can take a bit longer. Keeping file names simple and content text-based usually leads to faster and cleaner results. After your file finishes uploading, type a clear prompt that tells Meta AI exactly what you want. For example, you could write, "Translate this into French." You can be specific about the target language or style, like translate this into Spanish, formal tone, or translate this into Brazilian Portuguese. The clearer the instruction, the better the translation will match your needs. If you're translating a file, Meta AI will read the text it detects and return the output in the language you requested. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Meta AI will process your request and reply with the translated text right in the chat. If something looks off, you can immediately refine your prompt. For example, make it more casual, or correct any grammar issues and keep technical terms in English. Iterating like this helps you zero in on the ideal result. If you don't need to upload a file, there's an even quicker option. Simply paste your text directly into the chat and add your translation prompt in the same message. For instance, paste your paragraph and then write "Translate into German" at the end. Meta AI will handle it in one go. That's all you need to use Meta AI as a free, flexible translator. Keep your prompts clear, specify the target language and tone, and avoid sharing sensitive information. Thanks for watching, and happy translating.